In the early hours of a Saturday morning, Ethan is abruptly woken by a series of ear-piercing chirps. As he groggily sits up, his Cockatiel Pippin hops enthusiastically across the curtain rod. "Alarm clocks are overrated. Who needs them when you have me?" Pippin crows triumphantly, puffing out his feathers with pride. Ethan, rubbing sleep from his eyes, mutters, "It's the weekend, Pippin. Even the birds should take a break." Pippin chirps back cheekily, "Sun's up. Why aren't you?" "Anyway, remember to put your phone away at night. It's good for sleep, unlike my chirping." Ethan chuckles, knowing that despite the early wake-up call, Pippin's insights are right, and he appreciates the feathered alarm's simple truths.